everyone, today I am giving you information on the topic rehabilitation of the blind. This one is the 14th part of the blindness. So here rehabilitation of a blind person is very important. How the blind person have to lead their life very easily, smoothly, confidently, independently. So this one is all about the rehabilitation of the blind. Okay, so let's move to its description. Rehabilitation of blind. Rehabilitation of a blind is as important as the prevention and the control of blindness, spiritually speaking even more. Now, the rehabilitation of blind is very important as we have discussed about the prevention of the blindness, how we have to control the blindness. Again, it is very important that how the blind person have to rehabilitate their life, how to improve their quality of life, how to being independent in their life, how to being confident in their life, and how to be lead their life as according to the normal person. As the normal person lead their life, that how the blind person have to live in their life and fight with this issue. So a blind person needs these following things. First one is the medical rehabilitation, second one is training and physio-social rehabilitation, third one is the educational rehabilitation, fourth one is the vocational rehabilitation. So let's see one by one. Medical rehabilitation. Under the medical rehabilitation, we will provide the low vision aids to the patients. Okay, we will provide the optical as well as non-optical aids. We will provide the different instruments to the person so that we will improve the quality of the life and make their life easy. Okay, by improving their quality of vision. Next one is the training and physio-social rehabilitation. It is again the most important aspect. First of all the blind should be assured and made to feel that they are equally useful and inferior to the sighted person. Okay, so it is very important to give a positive vibe to the blind persons that they are again equally important for our world, for our country, for our home, for our family, and they are again useful as well as inferior to the sighted person. The sighted persons are very important, but the blind persons are again very important. So we have to give importance to those persons who are non-sighted and who are blind. Okay, because they are equally important, we have to give positive image or positive vibes to those persons instead of losing their confidence that they are equally important for our society. Next one, their training should include, first of all, positive vibes. Positive positivity should be given to the every blind person is very important, and other things that their training should include mobility training stick with the help of mobility training with the help of a stick, how they have to move in their life, how they have to move on the road, their path. So mobility training is important with the help of a stick so that they can clear out their path. Okay, training of daily living skills such as bathing, washing, putting on clothes, cooking, etc. Proper training should be given so that they can perform their daily day-to-day activities such as bathing, washing, putting on clothes, cooking, etc. Okay, so that they will are not depend upon any other for their daily work. Next one is educational rehabilitation. So as the education is very important for the sighted person, for the normal person, education is again very important for the blind persons also. It includes the education avenues in the blind school. Different blind schools are open for providing the braille system of education. Okay, so educational rehabilitation is again important because education is one of the most important key to success, by which one can earn and be independent, cannot depend upon the other for their daily works, daily needs, etc. Vocational rehabilitation. Next one is the vocational rehabilitation. It will help them to earn their livelihood. Okay, so vocational rehabilitation help them that how they have to earn in their life and live as useful citizens. And they will, if a person can earn, then he or she can find itself or himself as a useful citizen, that they are doing something, they are not depend upon each other, they are not depend upon the others. The earn basically gives earning gives the positivity, confidence, independency to the each and every citizen. Okay, so vocational rehabilitation is again very important. Blinds can be trained in making handicrafts, canning, bookbinding, candle and chalk making, cottage industries, and the telephone operators. Okay, so vocational rehabilitation is again very important, and nowadays the jobs are also reserved for the blind persons. Also the government and the non-governmental schemes provide a lot of help to the blind persons also. So our duty is to maintain the confidence, providing positivity to those persons who are blind. Okay, so all these things are come under the rehabilitation of the blind. This was the end. Thanks for your patience listening.